Yeah, that's bullshit. But welcome back, guys. Don't worry about that. But me and D-Wix, well, I got off work. This fucker didn't go to work.
Man, I took the day off, actually.
He took the day off, which I probably could have too, but we're getting this bread. D-Wix is in the position where he could. So, why not? Goku's under here, as you guys should know. We're going to start getting him unbundled. I have D-Wix's transmission inside Goku right now. So, we're going to take the Kupti transmission out. And as you guys know, his name's Kupti, but we're not going K yet. Eventually we will. But we will be swapping the two cars around. We're going to pull Goku up, pull Tonka out, and then push Goku in. So, oh yeah, D-Wix, we still haven't showed him yet what we did to the garage. Oh yeah. Oh, it is that one. Well, anyway, while he's unlocking it, so we're starting to vlog some more, as you guys can tell. I got to order more stuff so we can start working on Tonka again, which we end up might this weekend. Not sure yet. We'll see what happens. This is a really long clip, but so let's go light, and then there's this light, as you guys should know. Got AC. Should be plugged in, bro. Oh yeah, you have to. Forgot about that. Nice little AC unit whenever the door is closed. It's not too loud, so we can still vlog in here. We're gonna get a small fan in here, also get a little more air moving. But yeah, we got that done. But yeah, let's just get to the video. Thing's a unit. Alright, Goku's inside. We gotta push Tonka back. And radiator is definitely done, guys. He wasn't running that long, but as you see how bad it's dripping? Send help, send help. I'm playing. But Goku will be down for a while. Alright guys, so we just got the fluid flushed out. I'll put the drain bolt back in. Have this nice little handy tray. This tray was already dirty, so don't worry. These little specks were not inside transmission. Not gonna use that fluid again, so we're just gonna put in that, and then who knows. But so humid, that shit's not helping for fuck. Alright, so to make this process quicker, D-Wix is up top, pause, and then I knocked the bitch pin out. Just used, hold on, let me find it, help you guys out. This little old snapped, well, yeah, I guess you'd say that's snapped, 12 millimeter, fits perfectly in here. Boom, bitch pins out. So, oh, it should be, okay, there we go. Undo this, and then I'm just gonna undo the half shaft. What happened? None. But I'm probably just gonna undo these 3 bolts and then slide the transmission out. Yes, could probably take the axle out, but honestly, don't really need to. So, hey D-Wix.
Wow.
I'm ready for a field trip food.
Quick trip?
Yeah, I'm down. Quick trip, jalapeno cheddar hot dogs, buffalo cheese sticks. Yeah. And it is out. Oh, my lens is looking foggy. Camera's dirty.
I'm dirty.
That's hard. We got AC in this motherfucker. New day. So we gotta get our wings. It's really cloudy today. It's probably gonna rain again. It's supposed to rain for the next week. But we have a garage, guys. Come on, come on. Got so many keys. I got the work key, I got the toolbox key, I got the garage key, got the house key, got the keys to the other cars. Stay. Come on. Do something. It's gonna be that there. Alright. Alright. So, decided we were just gonna take Goku apart. There's no point of letting him sit like this. I'm not gonna put my trans back in because my radiator is messed up, so we'll just do something. We'll do something. D-Wix left his glasses last night, but anyway, sorry if I'm too close to the camera right now. It's still hot. It might be about to rain, but it's that humid rain, you know, where it barely rains. It's hot as shit. But yeah, D-Wix he's on his way right now because he's gonna help with Goku and stuff. We're gonna hang out. We got work to do. We might move his motor, take the trans. Hold on. Take his trans, not that one. His motor, because as you guys know, we're just doing something with that. That's my trans, but GSR. LS. Asshole was trying to say it was a GSR. That's the LS, motherfucking LS. And we'll go from there. But we're gonna take his stuff out of here, try to make room at his place, see what's up. Go and get LED lights behind Tonka's core support. Man, you guys will see. I still got my shop banners to put up, but as you see, need to make room. The garage is slowly getting there. Yeah, I don't know. So we took off the intercooler, charge pipes. D-Wix is working on getting the housing off. Got our tray for bolts, but yeah, that's about it. I'm just getting a little organized over here while he's doing that. Gotta start moving this stuff so we actually don't have to step over anything. And yeah, as you see, this is the room we're working with, guys. Just think, we're gonna build killers out of this garage. But I miss driving Goku. I don't recall showing this, but here it is. So the best way I found to take your axles out and stuff, I'd loosen the 17. I usually have the bolt facing towards the rear, and then the 17 nut right here. You undo this 14, which I thought I broke it loose, but apparently, okay, there we go. Take this off. This is the same as suspension. Hold on, bear with me. Bolt is out. It goes like this. You can't really get it wrong because there's a slice and indentation. If you guys can see that right there. Right there. That's what that little fork goes on. Come on. Come on, Goku. Grab the light. Okay. So once that drops down, you have this lower ball joint. Take the cotter pin out, break this loose, pick a fork, then you pick this up. You swivel it out towards the rear like you're turning left. On the right side, you're going to turn it towards the right. Loosen up the 22mm axle nuts, but if you have upgraded, it'll be 36. Once you turn the wheel, the axle will come out this way and fold out. And then if this is still bolted up to your motor, you could pry. But on the half shaft, they tend to get stuck, so you might not be able to pry. You're probably going to have to take the whole half shaft out. It tends to happen, but that's how you take it out. Also, same with if you're going to change suspension. I just leave everything on, take the fork out, and once that relieves the tension right here, you can undo the two, I believe 14mm bolts, and then swivel the suspension out. You also have these two tins. Don't forget about these because your brake line is on it. But once you... Damn, bro.
What?
radiator was full, huh?
Yeah, it's full as fuck.
Yeah, it was a dual pass, so it has to pass 2 times before it goes back in the motor. But yeah, once you do that, swivel your suspension back in, bolt it up, put the fork back in, lock it, put your lines back to where they need to be so they don't rub on anything, and then put your 17 back down here, which, as you see, Goku has blown bushings in the front lower control arms. Alright guys, turbo manifold's out. We're gonna need to drop it down probably. And it is out. Had to use brakes because we jacked up the front end pretty high. Alright guys, motor is out. We have 2 rolling cars now, 2 rolling shells. The GSR is out. So we'll be, I don't know what the whole plan of this is, but I know I need to take apart Goku, redo everything. The oil pump on that GSR is starting to leak, so I have a new one. Gotta clean all this up, kind of like what we did with Tonka. Gotta seal up all the holes. Like there's a hole right here. I don't know if you guys see the tape. That is not for me, but yeah. We have Black Widow now, so why not start redoing everything on Goku. Alright, so this is probably going to conclude this video, but I'll take the spot weld bit as I showed you guys before. Get all these spot welds out, take this bottom bar, leave the top one for now. That's the hole I was talking about. The old owner, like 2 owners ago, he had a H series in it, so I suspect that that was for the H series cables, since they're cable transmissions. I need to fix the steering rack. As you see, the gasket doesn't go all the way up, so whenever it rains, Goku's floorboard tends to fill up with a little bit of water, and of course we don't want that. We gotta clean all this oil off from whenever the oil pump sprayed everywhere. But damn, you need a haircut, D-Wix?
Me too, bro. Look at this shit.
Oh yeah. So this will conclude this video. Want to sign us out, D-Wix?
No, I'm not good at that shit.
Right. Stay blessed, stay slaying, keep fucking gunning. Catch you guys next time.